The shows, situated in northern Turkmenistan near the historic ruins of Konya Urgench, contain more than gas that serve a quite important cultural title. While not widely known for tourism, the city offers a handful of dependable and comfortable accommodations. From modern four-star hotels with full amenities to cozy guest houses and livable loungings. These stays provide warmth, convenience, and a touch of local hospitality to visitors exploring this unique corner of the country. The first one is the Shaw's Hotel, a modern four-star property built with light colored marble. The Shaw's Hotel includes a clean, elegant aesthetic. Its 187 rooms are adorned in lemon green and coffee tone and include amenities such as air conditioning, indoor pool, fitness center, sauna, and a gift shop. The on-site restaurants serve Turkmen and Eastern European dishes, while the bar remains open late for guests. Located near the stadium in a peaceful part of the city, it is ideal for exploring sites like Konya or Gech. The second one is Uzbay Hotel. Located centrally, Uzbay Hotel offers a blend of portability and comfort with modern spacious rooms illuminated by natural light. Guests can enjoy traditional Turkish and international cuisine in the on-site restaurant and relax in the cafe bar. Conference rooms for business needs, while ample parking and attentive service ensure easy and convenience. It's perfect for guests seeking a cozy and service-oriented stay near local attractions. The third one is hospital adjacent guest houses. Several small guest houses near the Shokes Medical District offer clean private rooms with basic amenities and a quiet residential atmosphere. Thought modest in appearance, these accommodations often deliver surprisingly warm local hospitality. Travelers appreciate the personal touch and peaceful surroundings, making these an excellent choice for the longer stays or recuperations. The fourth one is business class hotels. A few mid-range hotels cater specifically to professionals, offering essential features like meeting facilities, fast check-ins, and forward-thinking service. These properties focus on delivering seamless stays with reliable Wi-Fi and practical conveniences. Ideal for business travelers or official visitors passing through the city. The fifth one is airport-friendly lounges. Hotel near the Shaw's International Airport offer the added benefit up to easy transfer, flexible check-ins, and no-hassle logistics for travelers arriving early or departing late. While primarily functional, these options provide a smooth start or end to any trip. The next one is economy inns and lodges. Budget-friendly inns across the shores emphasize the simplicity without sacrificing cleanliness. Their basic rooms, reliable service, and affordable rate make them suitable for backpackers or short-term stayers who prefer practicality over frills. Next one is riverside guest stays. Some accommodations in the shores capitalize on the nearby Amudarya River, offering tranquil setting by the water. Guests enjoy peaceful views, riverside walk, and a serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a day of sightseeing. The next one is New City Center hotels. Newer hotels located around the administrative and cultural hub of the shores provide modern comfort and proximity to landmarks. While retails are sparks, these properties often feature updates with interiors and thoughtful convenience for urban travelers. The second last is homestays with cultural touch. Guests seeking immersive local experience can choose homestays where families open their homes and serve home cooked meals. These stays offer cultural depth, gives into daily life in the shocks and a personal sense of welcome. The last one is all-in-one hotel complexes. A few multi-service hotels offer comprehensive on-site amenities such as restaurant, conference area, shop, and comfortable lounges. These complexes are especially suitable for visitors who prefer convenience and everything within reach during their stay. The shows may not reveal Turkmenistan's capital for luxury, but its accommodation capture the essence of local authenticity and practicality. Whether you are of prefer a modern full-service hotel or a quiet cultural lounge, the city offers options that ensures comfort, convenience, and a true sense of regional